Hey there, welcome back to another video. Today, we're tackling a common problem that many developers face when working with text and images in their UI design. So let's dive into the problem. Picture this. You want your text to stick to the image from its left side, while changing the text direction to right to left, RTL. You try using the text style TextDirection.Rtl, but it just doesn't seem to work as expected. Frustrating, right? But fear not, because here comes the solution. The reason why the TextDirection.Rtl doesn't work as intended is because the text size is limited according to the text length. To make it work smoothly, you need to add modifier equals modifier.fillMaxWidth to your text composable. This adjustment will ensure that the text has enough space to display in a right-to-left manner next to the image, just like you envisioned. And there you have it, problem solved. Sometimes, it's the little tweaks that make all the difference in achieving the desired outcome in your UI design. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tips and tricks. Like and share this video with your fellow developers who might be facing similar challenges. And hey, why not drop a comment below with your favorite coding joke? I'd love to hear it. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding.